It's all about to make sense, okay? So everything has been happening for a reason. This is as above and so below, but we also have the most spiritual card in the deck, which is the High Priestess. So everything's about to be revealed, and they're about to show you and explain why things had to happen the way they did. So if you've been feeling like you're delusional, if you've been hanging on to a dream forever and everybody's been saying, what are you doing? But you felt as though you knew there was something to this, that is what's about to be revealed. You're about to be a very happy person, okay? This is where everything kind of gets proven right. You get proven right, okay? So you've been confident, quite secretly, quietly confident that you know either this person is meant for you, or this job opportunity is coming, or this is your time, something big is coming, something you've been wanting and wishing for. There's the wish card. Is finally coming into fruition, and here is the balance that we've been waiting for. So we've been waiting for divine timing and divine balance to come in. Now we're going to have divine intervention. Everything is going to make sense. So we have what looks like a love situation coming together here, and it could see that's the coming together of people as well. There's the devil, which is like the ego. So that's people working against you. That's you having doubts. That's you not thinking in a manifesting way. So anybody that's tried to make you feel like, you know, you hope hanging on to something here that's not worth it, they're not right. This is what's about to come together. They're almost proving that you're not delusional. So if you've been feeling like you're delusional, if you've been feeling like you're crazy or going insane thinking that, you know, this person doesn't really want me, but I feel like they do, or I'm never going to get that dream job, well, you are, and here it comes. So all of the hoping that you've been doing is going to be turned into a reality. You're getting what you asked for. The manifestation is here. You may have felt like giving up at times, but don't. It's definitely love, I think, because that keeps coming up. So you've got, this is what's coming your way. You've got Two of Cups and the Ace of Cups. You've got the King of Pentacles there as well. We've got the communication. We've got the solidarity. We've got everything coming together all at once. So your dreams and wishes are coming true, and it may come so you can turn around, you know, and have your aha moment, but also have your told you so moment to everybody else. You probably won't say that, but that's what you're doing. That's what you'll feel like. The nurturing is about to come. You're about to kind of be repaid with what you've been putting out there. So if you've been asking for love, if you've been waiting on this person and you've been giving them chance after chance after chance because you knew that they would come right in the end, this is where it comes together. This is where it shifts. This is where it really changes into something that you want. Reunion, soul tie, Venus, the planet of love, the offer from them. It's about you having self-worth and high expectations of this situation, and now it comes in. Here's the communication. Here's the action, okay? So everything is coming together. This is a breakthrough moment. You are getting exactly what you asked for. You have not been delusional. You are not crazy. Everything you've been feeling on a spiritual level, that's why we've got the High Priestess there. Also, this is one of the most spiritual combinations you can get of the male and female energies. So love related, everything you've been feeling, everything you've known, and that inner knowing is real, okay? Just because nobody else could feel it doesn't make it not real. So we've got Capricorn, we've got sirens going off here as well. So we're definitely having a whoa moment, okay? Capricorn, Aries, Gemini, Pisces, fire and air. Aquarius just popping up there. Quite a lot of signs involved in this, but if there's something you've been manifesting, if there's someone you've been waiting for, it's finally happening. This is where everything shifts and changes, and your manifestation, your dream becomes a reality.